Yum.
Oh, what's that?
Feeding the kata.
Yeah.
It's absolutely packed.
I know.
And Sklavenitis. There's a big island there, actually. Going to go to another grocery shop. What's it called?
Sklavenitis.
Sklavenitis. What does that mean?
Surname.
Oh, right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the bakery, my favourite section. Yum.
Oh, what's that?
We've had stuff like pizza.
Oh my god.
Like this is really yum.
That is a pizza, honey.
Yeah, it is a pizza. They got like croissants.
That's some
They're really
boneless bacon.
delicious.
What's that one? Kaseropita.
Kaseropita.
What's a pitas?
What's that?
Pita and Kaseropita.
Salmi. Heaps of salmi. Oh, deal, honey. Got gloves so you can pick up stuff. Patates. Fish. They have gavros.
No, that's Gabriel's. They're
Sardine. No.
they're those other
But white bait.
white bait. Yeah.
Maybe we should both. Even white bait would be nice. Honey, remember we used to get this and take it home to eat?
What is that?
But it's got meat. Oh, it's mushroom, isn't it?
No. What did it say that?
We got this last time.
Yes,
Ask
αυτό
if it's
εδώ
got meat.
δεν έχει κρέας.
Έχει μανιτάρια.
Mushrooms.
Mushroom,
Okay.
yeah.
How many do you want?
Just one piece.
Just ένα κομμάτι, παρακαλώ.
We got this last time. We got gigantes
Oh my god.
and yemesta.
You want some?
Nah,
You want yemista?
nah, I just want that.
Patates?
Ugh.
What's that?
Eggplant. That's too much. It's good though.
Do you want anything else?
Okay.
What? Εμείς? Όχι, είναι καπουτζία. Έχουμε. Ναι. Πολύ ωραία. Πολύ ωραία. Αλλά εμείς από την Αυστραλία. Ναι. Ευχαριστώ.
Is it?
It's Filipinesa.
Philippines. Oh, come this way.
Πάρε popcorn, πάρε κάτι άλλο.
Τι γίνω να πάω.
Oregano chips.
Oh, origami.
What is it?
Σipιά.
Sipia.
Μηνά πήραμε.
Κι άλλα. Εμένα.
Για σένα τα πήραμε.
Yeah, sipia. Not our favourite.
No, I hate that stuff.
Okay. What else?
Then she goes, oh, after I said no.
Feeding the kata.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is this an umbrella? No, it's a chair.
€16.
If there's an umbrella, I'm getting one.
That fucking rips.
Oh, fake Crocs. Oh, please. That one?
Yeah, get that medium.
This one?
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Now it's going to get really busy.
Fair enough. This is express, honey. This little one is express. Like that sign says 10 items or less.
Oh,
Yeah.
stand over here. I'll get over there.
Whereas he's got more than 10.
What are they in there?
Snickers. Look how expensive they are.
Yeah, I wrote rip off. It's because they're Snickers, honey.
Oh, they're the ice cream ones.
Yeah, it's the best.
Oh,
It's
that- Wait there. I couldn't. They said carbonated.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Got the Taste Awards in 2019, so I assume it's really good water.
Okay, it's just freaking water, isn't it?
It's absolutely packed. Like everywhere.
Let him boil some eggs.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Eggs and capsicum.
I know, that's great.
Oh, it's hot.
Give it.
Going to try this. What is it called?
Kaseropita, somewhere.
Kaseropita. Kaseropita. And Sklavenitis. Scabs.
Sklav.
Scab.
No.
Sklav.
Yeah.
Sklav. Okay, looks like a pasty.
Nice.
That's nice. Just tastes like cheese.
What's that place? Oh, it is. Kaseri cheese. Really.
Oh, it's a different cheese.
Yeah.
It does taste like a different cheese.
Yeah. Nice.
Yum. It's a different cheese. Nice cheese. Oh, it's a type of cheese.